Welcome students. In this video, you are going to learn about some functions related to list. The first function is sum function, which returns the sum of all the items in the given iterable. Means इस फंक्शन में आपको एक iterable देना है and that iterable can be something like list, string, dictionary or tuple. Okay, and then what it will do, it will add all the elements of the given iterable and return you the result. But the thing is that this function only works with numerical values, otherwise it results into an error. So whatever iterable you will give, that iterable must contain numerical values only. Look at the syntax here. Syntax is give an iterable and second argument has a default value 0, but if you want you can specify any value here and that value should be a numerical value. Clear? What will happen, जो भी आपने आइटरेबल यहाँ दिया है उसके सारे एलिमेंट्स ऐड हो जाएंगे और फिर जो रिजल्ट आएगा उस रिजल्ट में ARG की वैल्यू ऐड हो जाएगी. अगर आपने ARG की वैल्यू नहीं दी है तो ज़ीरो ऐड हो जाएगा क्योंकि इसकी डिफ़ॉल्ट वैल्यू ज़ीरो है एंड इफ़ यू हैव गिवन then that value will be added. So here you see ARG is the optional argument and it is a numerical value that gets added to the final result of the iterable and it has the default value as 0. Clear? Now let us see it practically. Here you can see that I have taken up a list. Okay, and to this list what is happening, some function will add all the elements of this list and give you the result. In the second case, I have given a list as well as the value for ARG. In the previous case, value for ARG was taken up as 0. So that 0 was added to the result of the sum of elements of this list. But here, first of all, 5 plus 8 plus 1 plus 2 will be added. Okay, and whatever is the result, it is 16. So 16 plus 10 will give you 26. So this is going to be the result of this function. Next function is reverse function. As the name suggests, it reverses the elements of the list. It reverses the elements of the list in place. Means the original list, that is the invoking list, is going to get permanently reversed and after executing this function you will not be able to get the previous state of the list. Okay, and this you can see the syntax here. The syntax is list name dot reverse, means this function does not take any parameter, it does not return anything. Okay, so let us see it practically. Here you can see that I have taken up a list and then printed that list. तो ये वैसा ही प्रिंट हुआ जैसा कि इनपुट किया गया था. Now after executing L dot reverse, we don't have to pass anything and it is not going to return anything because ये original list को वहीं के वहीं change कर देगा, reverse कर देगा. And see, after executing this function, when I am printing the list, it is simply printed in the reverse order and it is the permanent state of this list. Clear?